Today, I'm gonna play Sudoku for you. This is one of my favorites, so check it out. Since I'm screen recording, I'm gonna turn off the air mode so you guys can, other stuff. So these are all my apps and Sudoku, very simple. So pause, take a screenshot so that you can time yourself and kind of go along with me. Our new game, and since today's July 2nd, let's do daily challenges for. Actually, let's finish this one up, because once I finish this, like a giant trophy will pop out. This is I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope this screen recording really works, but even if it doesn't, I'm still gonna play it. So enjoy. Alright. If you guys never play Sudoku, it's basically having 1 to 9 number, 1 through 9, in one quadrant, and there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quadrants, and you cannot have the same number in the same row or the same column. So it's like a math puzzle. Alright, so I'll show you my tricks, and throughout the process, I don't know, I'll explain it lesson. I'll just do it, and then you guys, you know what, I'm gonna take a screenshot, boom, and then you guys can, maybe do it with me. You guys can print it out, put it on a piece of paper, do an Excel spreadsheet, whatever you want. It's a fun game. I like it. Alright, so I'm looking at the ones, alright, because usually I just go in order. But so here's ones. You know that this in here cannot be ones because the 1 is right here. So you shoot that over, 1 1, and then you do the same thing. See, all these cannot be 1. This cannot be 1, and then right here shoots down. This cannot be 1. So therefore this has to be 1. Bam, killed that. Boom, down here in the middle. So you know that this whole column cannot be. Alright, so I'm taking off my USB dongle. It's not working, so you guys can enjoy my audio. But boom, boom. So you see the left side, those can't be 1s. So boom, boom. I don't know. I make weird sound effects. So it's what you gotta do. It's a Sudoku. Gotta have fun with it. Boom, boom, right there, right? Because these two has to be 1s. That's just me. So these 3 are 1 also, but actually I put it down just for your sake. Let's see. Whew, I'm tired already. Had a nap. So you can tell these 2 rows are both 2s already. So this has to be a 2 because there's 1 already here. So bam, 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 bam. So these 3 over here has to be 2. I'm just gonna try to speed through it, because no one wants to spend too long looking at Sudoku, and I'm just gonna crank it out. So you could tell. Okay, so here's another cool shoot. So this whole column, no 2. This whole column, no 2. So this means these 2 has to be a 2, right? But that's not the only thing, because you know that only these 2 can be 2s. It's gonna shoot up right here. Boom, 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 boom. It's gonna kill this one. So therefore, this has to be 2, and inevitably, since you had your notes down, this is a 1. All right, Sudoku like a pro. I don't do no weird swordfish though. So what do you say? Let's go back to 2. That's what we were doing. Bottom right here. So therefore, this has to be a 2, 2, 2, right? Because you saw that. Boom. This whole line is dead, and column is dead also. So we jump to 3. So you could tell that this is a 3. Boom. These 2 has to be 3. 3. Let's see what else. These 3 have to be a 3. And I don't normally put down notes when there's more than 4, or when it's more than 3. It just gets really messy, and I don't like it. I feel like it slows me down. Okay, well, let's jump to this one really quick. So here's another tip. So if you already know that the numbers are the possible number is 1 to 9. So what's missing in this quadrant, right? This quadrant, it's only 8. So you know that these two numbers are 8. But however, you know that there's an 8 right here, so therefore you can just cut that out and say this is a 1 and this is an 8. Boom, you saw that? It made a little gling 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 shiny thing. Alright, and the same thing, you could put your notes, and for same thing, how this quadrant, you could tell that there was only 2 numbers missing, so you were able to find that. Top bar also, you can only have the same number 1 to 9, right? So this has to be at least a 1, 1, and this last number is what, 9? Yeah. But look, there's a 1 already. So this one can only be a 9, and this has to be a 1. Boom, motherfucker. Hey, all right. Sudoku is very intense. I love it. I always do when I go take a shit. Sorry if you're a kid and you're watching, but you know, you need to use foul language because it'll expand your horizon or verticals. Anyways, 9. Okay, so we're gonna jump back to what number we were doing, because when I jump around like that, I always forget what I'm at. So let's go back to 4. Boom, boom. So therefore, you know what? These two are 4. Alright, not enough information to do other stuff. So I'm gonna shoot down. Nope, nothing down here. Let's see. Nope, there's 4. That's too much for me. Oh, I could put 4 here. Let's see, 2 over here is 4, 4. Okay, therefore these are 4. Alright, jump down, bottom right. Okay, so you know that these two are 5, right? Because these two killed that whole row. 5 can only be on these two, right? Boom, boom. So that means these two are 5s. Where are we at? Alright. Wait. Alright, here's another thing. At first you saw that these two numbers can only be 4 and 2, right? So therefore, all other numbers are these 3, right? It could be only 5, 8, and what am I missing? 6? Yeah, 5, 8, 6, right? I guess I could do that right now, right? 5, 8, 6. 5, 8, 6. 5, 8, 6, right? This is how you do it. Did I want to do that? I don't know. I probably didn't, but I'll just go with it. But yeah, no, that's what I was saying. So since you already know these two, and these 3 can only be 3 other numbers in that square, you're able to find that. But look, this one is an 8, so therefore this cannot be an 8. Oh, take that back out. Let's see. What about this one? This one can be, 5. Nope, cannot be 6. Can it be 8? Nope, there's already 8 in here, so therefore this has to be a 5. Oh, I got it. Got it. Hey. So if this is a 5, that means, well, this has to be a 5. Alright, it's a given. So what do we know about these two numbers? It's the remaining number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. It has to be a 6. Boom, motherfucker. Hey, so this one's shooting out up here, so it kills this 6. So this has to be a 3. 6 here. This is pretty intense because you gotta go for that perfect no mistake. You see that no mistake right all the way in the top? This is the daily challenge for May 31st, and we're killing it, guys. Hopefully you're following along, and maybe you guys can catch up to my speed, but I'm pretty slow too. I feel like some geniuses can just look at it and be like, oh, I already know the pattern, this is simple, but hey, this is all grinding to the top. And that's what I like. I love puzzles. 3, right? Because this is these cannot be 3s, only this one. These ones. Whew. All right, where are we at? All right, let's jump back to 5s. All right, 5, 5. Okay, let's go to 6. So 6, 6, 6. Ooh, 6, 6, 6. All right, these two are 6. these twos are 6. Right, 6, 6. Okay. Now we go to 7s, right? Go 7s. It's getting a little bit messy, so I'll do less notes. But look, right here, bottom left, 7. Boom, killed it. 7. Oh, that means this one's left. Kill it. Got him. These two are 7. All right. Ooh. I've been playing Sudoku for maybe when I started after college. Let's see. I graduated 2014, so it's been about 4 years I've been playing Sudoku. It started with newspapers that when I was volunteering at the hospital, we had newspapers, and I was like, man, I'm killing these Sudoku every day. All right, so boom, boom, boom. You know, this is on 7 right here. Right, oh, gang right here. You got two 7s, gang, right? Bang. So you know that these two are 7 also. Shoot down, shoot right. Nope. Okay, no more 7s available. Now we're down for 8. Bang. All right. Where we at? Oh, now you know this one's for sure is 8. I mean, when you already know, this leaves this to be 2. And what's left? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 4. Oh, so now this whole column is vulnerable. We're about to smash it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For sure it's 9. Let's go back to 8. All right, let's see if there's any other 8s. These two are 8. My throat's drying up. It's all good. You know how intense this is. It's Sudoku. One of my pops back in the General Hospital, man, when he saw me play this, he was like, man, I love how you're killing this Sudoku. And I was like, what, Sudoku? And I was like, man, that's such a cute name, Sudoku. So Sudoku, Pops, miss you and love you. Yeah, no, now look at me, killing it on Sudoku. Let's keep on going. 9. No 9s on the top. These two have to be 9, but you already saw that this was a 9, so this bottom right has to be 9. 1, 4. These twos are 9. Ooh. These 3 are 9, but no, I'm not gonna put it there yet. Boom. Oh, water break. Too intense. Guess I put some like background music so it won't be too boring. But this is my jam. This is Sudoku, man. I love this shit. It keeps your mind fresh. Not really, not when you're really drunk or all fucked up, but you know, it's a good habit to build in to think. You know, to think. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but it's fun. Trust me. You could try it. There's smaller Sudokus. You know, this is a 3x3 board to 1 to 9, and there's also like 2x2 and weird stuff. 3x3s. Nope. 6. Nope. Okay. Kill this. So this is a 6, and then this one has to be a 6. So this has to be a 1. What am I missing? Okay. Motherfucker. 8, 4, 2. All right. Where we at? 1. So we know that this is a 9, possible 9. What else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can't be 5 down here. So this has to be 5, and this has to be 9. Last 2 number has to be some type of 4. So this has to be 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got that 9. So this has to be 9. Bruh, it's already been 14 minutes. So, wow. Well, all of my stuff is kind of expert level, so kinda. Maybe I make it look easy. I don't know. You guys can try it. Let's see. Where are we at? Okay, let's go back to 1. Yeah, let's go back to 1. Are we done with 1? No, we're not done with 1. Boom, boom, right here. All right, so this is a 1. This is a 3. All right, so what's left? 3s. 3 3s. Nope. So you know that these are 7 and 3 for sure. So therefore, the remaining numbers 8. This is an 8. This is an 8. When it comes to near the end, it gets a lot easier, unless you fucked up. So for sure, 3 3 7 7 5 4. Hey, this is the last one. 4 is an unlucky number in Asian culture, and because in Chinese, Cantonese, 4 is say, which is deaf. Either way, that being said, boom, motherfucker. Hey, congratulations to me. Here's my time. Oh, some medium difficulty. How embarrassing. But I gotta explain it to you guys. So 15 minutes, not too bad. You keep on practicing, keep on playing daily, and it's fun. It's challenging. So let's see. Continue. Ooh, oh. Hey, I'm pretty lit. No, yeah, this is pretty fun. Collect. And I got that trophy, but look at this. I haven't done these, but got it on February. Well then, so I'm gonna upload this. You guys can enjoy. When I first start, you can pause the video, you can print that out, you can screenshot it, and then or put it in an Excel spreadsheet, and then you could do it with me and time it. And if you beat my time, put in a comment how fast it took you. So yeah, I'm also gonna edit this video and put that shit in the front so that you don't see the whole answers, so you could just race me and challenge me and see how long it takes you to solve it. Yeah, yo, my name is the Black Tiger. Please check out my channel. There's a lot of weird shit. Like and subscribe. I'm your boy. I'm from San Francisco. I love Sudoku. I love Sudoku. I love to take dookies. I love shit. I'm the shit. You feel me? Let's go. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Drop a comment. I'll shout you out. Thanks, fam. Peace.